What are you doing?
What mouth?
Huh?
I'm trying to unlock it.
Got my own little helper now. That way this old retired man doesn't have to do much of the work except drive it. So she gets to do all the grunt work. I gotta teach her how to do this. Okay, so I'm sure you're wondering where I've been, what I've been doing. Some of you thought I was retired, and that's okay. I've been, it's very difficult to explain, it's a long journey. I'm here. I haven't had time to really race or even think about the car, but I'm finally at the point where I can do that. So first chance I gotta wash this thing up. And now the goal, I think what we're gonna do today is let's just stretch the legs out a little bit, knock the rust off. Don't expect any kind of hair-blazing times or speed. A little fun, get back into the swing of things with racing and go from there. And no, I am not retired, as some of you may have claimed. There are people who said I was retired. No, I'm not retired.
Tell them how, like, all the stuff you told me about, you're gonna drive until you're really, really old.
Yeah, that's the plan.
You're not gonna be able to drive. Your
Yes.
legs are gonna...
No, bro, by then I'll be connected to the car with my mind. And that's all it is. And just like that, it went from really nice, really good to, damn it. This freaking cloud that came over us, bro, just laid down some massive rain. Which means the track is soaked. What are you doing? Bro, that is a monster.
I'm hungry.
Let me see.
You took...
Hi.
Yeah. Are you laying anything down or are you just cleaning it up?
We're cleaning it up right now. I was about to do a hand spray, and then it rained for like 12 minutes, and it took the whole track.
I know. Okay.
And then I'll do my normal hand spray and then drag, hand spray, drag, and then I'll do my double rig spray. So it'll basically be all normal. It'll be radio prep.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
All right, man.
I'll make sure it's good prep for you.
Thanks. Make sure you put it on my face, not on my body. They opened it up for racing, so they said track was good to go. Looked good. So we'll go try it out. I did turn it down just a hair off the launch just to see. Like I said, we're just trying to get back in the swing of things, knock some rust off, so that's what we're here to do. You ready? All right, let's go.
Huh?
That sucked.
Why?
Oh.
Did you pass?
I think your wing cut, maybe?
All that smoke went right in my face.
So pass number one, it hit boost cut. I'm not sure, I guess it must have had it too spicy for Texas 2K because it went up to 36, hit boost cut. That's where I have it at. and that's what that was. So I turned down the boost. I still had some things, I guess Texas 2K. Turned it down a little, and we'll see what this nets us. So hopefully I just want an A to B pass. Hopefully there's no underlying issue there, but it should be good to go. All right, shifter works. All right, just got to get a little more trust in it. Not bad, huh?
Pretty good.
8.1, 174.
Yeah, you did better than last time, I think.
Yeah, the run was clean as far as the shifter because it actually worked. It actually turned it on. Really good, except when it went from first gear to second gear, the car went like this.
Kind of like
kicked a little bit. So I ended up getting out of it, getting back in it, and that's where I lost time to get to the sevens. But overall, man, I can't be mad. Came out here, had trouble, found the issue, fixed the issue, and had a pretty decent last pass, so I can't be mad at that. We'll take it home. That was rust knocked off. I feel good. I feel back in it, and we'll target another test session and see if we can improve.
And time to go get food.
Back into the sevens.